Hello, beautiful family. How are you all doing? Thank you for the love, the support. So, my beautiful people, today I have to give you the latest update all the way from Computer Village, Lagos. Do you know that when men are at work, when men were singing, dancing, traveling for this Christmas celebration, their market, their stores, oh, wonder. Make una hear what Donna say no when they were drinking palmy, enjoying themselves. Do you know what happened at night? They break into their stores and everything is totally fume. Let me not talk too much. Please just listen to the update and I'll be right back.
Nine on ala hola. That 12:30 a.m. at one in a Computer Village under demolition. We have four phase 1 and 2, the largest plaza in a Computer Village in Lagos. And ever now one of the sales so. Ever contain over 5,000 business owners and over 1,500 shops. Makaneba contain 99% of Ndigbo. I'm going to hang him. I'm just meeting with the governor. I have no problem. 12:30 a.m. this morning. Kanda Abia. We're not Panola. Yeah, I guess get in mind bye to 2023. And they welcome to 2024. Wonderful. They are comfortable enough. And the plaza now have their sales so. Some of their chief people. It is 100% political. 100% political. Adam Kunufu, Reneoku. 100 shops and about 6,000, 5 to 6,000 traders. 12:30 a.m. this morning. A lot of us in December. Some in East and Wahani.
I believe my information. Yesterday I entered live and I inform all my fans to share the live video that Lagos State government, they are planning to demolish Computer Village. Some believe and some did not believe. Freedom of my people, you are welcome. I see you. Please help me and share the live video. You can call your loved ones to check on them. If you know that you are living in Lagos, Computer Village, go and check your property. Your property is about to go down. Igbo, come back and invest. It's Imba. But all Igbo, come invest. It's Imba. We have land, plenty land, assorted. It's Imba. It's Imba. Please share this live video. Please share. Don't joke with information. Any information that we see, don't joke with it. Because all we can save mad, but no mama. I marry here. Call your loved ones in Lagos that Computer Village. Everybody go equal to ya. Everybody equal to Computer Village. Share, please. Share this live video. Their book, Victor Israel. Let them come back home. They said no. They want to buy in Lagos. Because this is as in stage by stage, street by street. Akochana Abulu, Kosa Abudo, Ghana Computer Village. And one mama nest. Nest now we give Leki. Nest now me as we give Leki. Go. Ndigbo si na hama na na chinchin no igidi mmiri ka ga na. Please, all my fans, help me and share this video so that many people will see it and call their loved ones that live in Lagos that Computer Village, the demolition have started. Billions of naira are going down. Thousands of naira are going down in Computer Village. Let them come back and invest. Watago, please. Where are you watching from? Where are you watching from? Please. Where are you watching from? Please. Help me and share this live video. Call your loved ones that live in Lagos. If you share this video, somebody that live in Lagos will see it. Many people now have Patago village. Many people that live in Computer Village have traveled back to their home country, to their states. Many of them now are not aware of this. Many of them are not around to witness how their billions of property are going down. This is so painful. All the painful. No compensation. Nothing. Just like that, in a daybreak light like this, your 12, 20 years, 30 years sufferness will go like that. My brother, go to Umweli, you will see one businessman. You will see what that man bid in Umweli. Some of you that know Umweli, you can confirm. As we have land in this our Igbo, in this southeast. Land is plenty, land is so there. Now because of we don't have people to develop it. Because we don't have people to develop, that is why we have bandits in our bush. You want to go? Please help me and share this live video. But I see you from Aba. But please help me and share the live video. We have a family member living in Lagos. You have a friend, a sister, in-law. Call them to check on them. Keep them never happy. Happy in a Computer Village because Computer Village is going down. People are crying. People are weeping 24 hours because of their money is going down. Their hard-earned money is going down. Our people always joke with information. When man cannot tell them, they will not hear. Now, all the whole prophets have come to pass. And you will see a lot of them now still building. And I said, Omaru side there, Omaru side there, Omaru side there. These people want you to go. At your corner now, one by one. Oh, you have your corner now, one by one. No compensation.
So my beautiful family, that brings us to the end of this update. Do well to like the video, share and subscribe. I still remain your one and only Progress the Analyst. I give you all the update back to back. Thank you so much and bye bye.